everyone! Welcome back sa aking channel. And today, magmumukbang kami ng nilagang buto-buto ng baboy. And andito ako ngayon sa bahay nila Jen. And then, ayan. Ito na yung mumukbangin namin guys. Naluto ko na yung nilagang buto-buto. Ayan siya. Ayan. Naluto na siya guys. Antay ko na lang yung ang tawag dito, yung cabbage na maluto. So, and then magmumukbang na tayo. See you later! Guys, welcome to our mukbang. We have, here is nilagang buto-buto.
What's that?
Ayan.
Pork.
And we have here lechon paksiw. But ayaw magbukas. And I have some vinegar here.
Vinegar, I love
Spicy vinegar. And of course, rice.
Mango.
So let's eat. Sarap-sarap.
I just swallowed it when it's actually plain.
No. So just keep eating there. No,
I cannot drink this now.
it's not funny. Harap ng sabaw, guys.
Hi! Hi! Hi!
Okay. You need to eat. Come on.
Is this a live stream? Bye-bye.
You're not gonna eat?
Oh, I'm good.
Why not?
Yes. Like in my watching gone.
Wait, that's it. Get your food.
Club.
Don't ask to
Vegetable.
put milk, ha? Here, on, bebe.
I don't want this. That's
Akong tayong butang para sa inyo. Huh? You're not gonna eat? Talk, bagi.
you got the
Yummers.
sir. You got a big one.
Sarap,
But
guys.
yours is put on the top.
Yeah, it's just a bubbles from the cup. See, you get more than I do.
Not yes you do.
Nice, just drink it. Should I
Bakit
pour
yung
it
ice
away?
cream parang nag-ice?
Dili. Dili,
Yeah.
next year, you
Mama,
do like this.
Oh, a spoon. I want a spoon
You
too.
don't need
Apun.
You do like this.
I want to have the spoon too, like Jagger. So
Because you
check out
can't
the
wait.
cover.
No.
Check out
All
the
you have to do is
cover.
Sarap, guys.
No, I want a spoon and a
Talagang galit.
Stop! Guys, I don't like that.
Oh my gosh.
I'll have this one then. You know, I give this there for so you don't spill your drink.
Oh no, I'm not.
You better not.
Zip it down.
Guys, tingnan nyo yung mango. Ang laki. Giant mango.
I'm fixing your head.
Bakit tayo mag-focus? Ayan, nabili ko to guys kanina. Ano siya? So for $3 sa ano grocery sa Coburn's.
What Coburn's?
Grocery.